Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Dadan. So Dadan is a tool that lets you create various interactive videos in seconds, and the videos are very similar to the videos that you can get from Loom if you have heard about that tool. So basically you can create various screen recordings, and on those screen recordings you can also have your own camera, your own web camera interface. But the best part is Dadan is not only limited to being a screen recorder. It can obviously record your screen, but it can also edit those videos. It can also transcribe your whole videos, even videos from various meeting platforms such as Google Meet. It can even transcribe that using AI. And then you can also even use Dadan for translation of various videos. And in terms of importing videos, you can obviously screen record using Dadan and then edit and transcribe and translate that video, get summary, use various AI features. But other than that, you can also upload your own video. The video that is not recorded on Dadan, you can also add that for transcribing or for some other purposes. It has a lot of AI features such as summary, transcription, and then key points and so many others. And as I have mentioned earlier, the videos are going to be interactive, which means you can add various quizzes, various forms, various questions, true or false, various ratings, and so many other different types of components. And Dadan is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. As you can see, it has already got 5 3-star reviews. It also has 7 reviews, 5-star reviews on Capterra, as well as on G2 it has 4.9 overall rating. So now let's have a look at all the features. So these are the features as you can see. Now let's have a look at all the plans. So these are 3 plans that are currently offered on Appsumo. So the license tier 1, it costs only $59, and here you can have only 1 user, and the videos every user can have is 100 on the tier 1, and minutes per video can be 60 minutes per video, and then transcription is going to be 120, and the AI translations are going to be 60. And then you can integrate 2 applications. You have 50 GB of storage, and these are the features that you can get. And as for the tier 2, as you can see, the features are the same, but the limits are very different. So 3 users, 200 videos per month, 120 minutes per video. So obviously you're going to get increased limits, but the tier 3 is going to offer you the most with a price of $299. And here videos per users per month is unlimited, which is amazing. And even every video duration is also unlimited, which is simply incredible. And also the integrations as well as storage are also unlimited. So if you want to buy Dadan on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below, and keep in mind the price is going to increase after 3 days. So the tier 1 price is only $59 right now, but it is going to increase after 3 days. So if you want to buy it, make sure you hurry. And also if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let me show you how Dadan is going to work. Okay, so after you log into Dadan, you're going to get a dashboard just like this one. This is a super user-friendly dashboard and super simple. As you can see on the left side, you have all the primary options, all the primary features. And keep in mind, Dadan has extension for Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and also they have a Windows application. And also I have heard that the Mac OS application is also going to be released soon. But as I have said earlier, it has a Chrome extension, and currently I am on my Chrome browser. So in order to use it to its full potential, you have to install the extension. So let me show you this. Here's the extension. As you can see, I have already installed it. And after installing, you do not have to do many things. You just have to pin it on here. As you can see, it is now pinned. And as for the extension, it has ratings. It has a really good rating. Out of 5, it has already got 4.7, and it has over 1000 users. So you can obviously trust this. So now, as I have said earlier, on the left side you can see all the primary features. So if I click on this create, there are all the options in order to add the video that I want, add the screen recording or any video. So I can either record a video directly from the application. I can simply click on start recording and it is going to start recording. I can choose only screen, which means it is only going to record the screen that you can see. But if I choose the screen and camera, it is going to show you the web camera interface with a short interface as well as the screen. But you can also switch to only camera. But I'm not going to use this. What I want to do is use the Chrome extension. So here is that, as you can see. Okay, so let me record a page on this FIFA World Cup. On this particular page, for example, I want to screen record this page and I want to give you some information from this page. So for the video purpose, I'm going to use this page. So now let's click on the Chrome extension, and as you can see, once again I can select the screen and camera, and as for the camera, as you can see, it is now appearing. So I can also make it shorter, make it bigger, or even square. I can also switch to a photo mode. So just like this, I can use the camera, but I'm just going to use only the screen since I do not have a camera right now connected. If you have multiple cameras, you can select the specific one from here, and then you have to choose your microphone. So I'm just going to choose my one. And then here the extension is going to say if the internet speed is stable for this purpose, for video purpose. So my internet is fast, and then I can also choose the quality and then start the recording, and then start recording. Select my screen and share. Okay, so currently we are in this FIFA World Cup page, and here we can see various information about the FIFA World Cup, the Football World Cup. So if I go to this history, as you can see, there are multiple history, multiple sections. There is a corruption case in 2015 FIFA, and also there are various formats. As you can see, qualification, then final tournament, and also there are various records and statistics. So here are some records, as you can see, and also the awards, and also various notes. So these are all the information we can get about the FIFA World Cup. As you can see, the first World Cup was owned by Uruguay. So I can get some information about FIFA World Cup from this Wikipedia page. So I'm just going to stop the recording by clicking on here. Okay, so once you stop recording, the video is going to upload, and once it is uploaded, you're going to get a sharing link. So if I copy this link, if I send this link to someone, that person can easily open the link and watch this video, just like how you do in Loom or any other screen recorder that have cloud option. So as you can see, the video has been uploaded. Now I can watch this video and edit it and see all the AI features of Dadan on Dadan. So let's go to the dashboard. So as you can see, here's my video. If I play this, okay, so currently we are in this FIFA World Cup page. So as you can see, here's my video. It is working perfectly. I can speed it up or see the emojis. So now if I scroll down, I can show you all the details of this video. I also have some options such as downloading, duplicate, or archiving it, or moving it to a folder, or managing the playlist for this video. I can also add various tags in order to provide more context about the video. And then people can add various comments. The people that I share this video to, they can share various comments on here. I can also add a description about this video, what this video is about. I can see all the resources. So if I want, I can even add various files and links, which is going to be super helpful. So these resources are going to be directly related to the video. And then on this embed location page, I can also manage whether this video is allowed or blocked on a specific web page. And then on the right side, so here's the magic. We have all the AI assist option, all the AI features on here. I can get the transcript or the title or the text. I can get everything about the video from the AI. For example, I want to get the transcript. So for that, I just have to choose language, and there are over 100 plus languages on Dadan for transcription. So that is amazing. So since my video is in English, so I'm just going to select English, and then I'm just going to click on generate transcript. Okay, so as you can see on the right side, we have got the transcript, and if I show you the transcript, you will understand the transcript is super accurate. But obviously, if there is any mistake, you can obviously change that mistake, fix that by clicking on this correct transcript. So now you can edit each and every word of here of this particular transcript. So if I click on this, as you can see, now I can just edit the word. So this is how I can super easily correct the transcript, and I can also copy this when I want to use it somewhere. I can also generate various titles. So let me see what Dadan AI is going to come up with. Okay, so as you can see, it has came up with a really good title. So just like this, I can also use a title, even create a title for this video. I can create some tags, description. Okay, I want to get a summary. Let's see how the summary feature is going to work, how much it covers. So as you can see, we have got the AI generated summary from Dadan, and we have got a really good summary. So it has came up with different sections such as video title, context, duration, multi-layered summaries. So this is amazing for just a simple video that is about 50 seconds. It has got a very thorough summary, as you can see. And we even have got some resource and links, call to action suggestions. So there are a lot of things that are here. and even a chapter breakdown which can be used as the timestamp. So this is amazing. And also there is the note taker. So we can also generate some notes about this particular video that is going to help a lot when you want to transcribe any meeting, when you upload a meeting, or when you are conducting a meeting. So obviously there is integration like Zoom and Google Meet. So you can also import those meetings so you can get various notes from those meetings. And for that you have to choose the type of meeting. I'm just going to click on General and Meeting Minutes, Brainstorming Minute, Kickoff Minute. So you can also select any of these. I'm just going to keep it here and then click on Generate. Let's see what we get. Okay, so here are the AI generated notes. So the title, the date, the duration, the summary, and also the attendees. So since this is about meeting note takers, so there is going to be some sections such as attendees, agenda, and also a lot more other points, as you can see. So this is how you can super easily take notes. And obviously you can also translate your video if you want to translate to another language. For example, I want to translate it to Arabic. So I'm just going to click on add. And once the translation is finished, it is going to give me a notification. So let's wait for that. Okay, so this was pretty fast. As you can see, we have got the translation and the file is going to be available on the VTT format. So now I can download it. I can also update the translation if I want and obviously delete it. So this is how the translation feature is going to work. And then there is also a LMS integration. So I can directly share this particular video, screen recording or this video to my Google Classroom. So that is amazing. This integration is available so that I can share it with my students. And then there are also a lot more features on here. First of all, we have this edit video. So there is even a video editor on Dadan, which is amazing. This is just a screen recording tool, but you are even going to get a full native video editor, and let me show you all the features of that. Okay, so as you can see, here's my video, here is the timeline, and also the layers are going to be available on here, and also zoom in and also the video information. And on the left side, you can first of all, we have this element section. So we can add various emojis to the video. We can add various stickers as well as various shapes. We can also add various text, and then we can trim our video. As you can see, the layer has been added. We can even blur the video. So this is amazing. We can even blur certain part of the video. And for example, I want to blur the video when it is over 60 seconds. The video is on 60 seconds. So I'm just going to drag it on here. And now if I play the video, as you can see, there are multiple history, multiple sections. So as you can see, now the blur is working. And obviously I can move this blur wherever I want. I can also make it larger if I want. I can also shorten the duration of the blur from here. As you can see, now the blur has been shortened for a short time. And on the right side, I can select all the settings, adjust all the settings about the blur, such as the layout, the blur intensity, the radius, and also the time settings. And then there is also the zoom feature. So I can zoom on a certain part. Once again, as you can see, this layer has been added. Now on this particular time, the zoom is going to happen. So if I play this video, see qualification, then final tournament. And also there are various records. So as you can see, the zoom is working perfectly. And obviously, once again, you can select the area of the zoom. You can select a particular area where you want the zoom to happen. So this is amazing. And once again, you can adjust all the zoom settings on this right side. And then you can also adjust the audio of your video from here. So after the editor, the video editor, there are also some privacy editor. So here you can adjust some privacy settings, such as if you want to make the video private, if you want to allow download, show analytics. So these are some of the privacy settings that you can change. And also you can even add call to action to your video, which is amazing. So let me show you. So as you can see, if I enable this call to action is going to appear. And you can set a call to action button text and obviously the URL. So obviously you need the URL. So once someone clicks on the call to action where they are going to be redirected to, so you can select that, provide the URL for that on this box, and then select the color. Let me choose the red color and the text color, the button style. So it could be square or slightly rounded or even rounded. And also you can show it for the entire video or a specific period or even the last 5 seconds. And if I want to show it for the entire video, as you can see, the call to action button is going to be exactly on here. So this is amazing. I'm just going to disable this and cancel this. And then you can even add a thumbnail for your video. So this is super easy. Obviously you have to delete your current thumbnail. You have to upload your own, and you can even see the resolution on here. So according to that, you can upload the thumbnail and then get the thumbnail on this video. And also there are various interactive features. So let me show you. On a certain time period, it could be a quiz, poll, open-ended question, content, true or false, rating. So there are multiple options. If you click on these settings, there are also settings for managing this interaction, such as all these general settings, the summary, as well as the response. So this is how you can add various interactions, and also chapters, which means the timestamp. You can also generate it with AI, which is amazing. I have already showed you the timestamp that the Dadan AI can generate. And then also you can schedule your video. So if you enable the schedule, now you can specify a publishing date, a publishing start date, which means exactly when the video is going to be published. And also you can set even an end date, which means the publishing is going to end on that certain period. And then there is also this in video leads. So if you enable this, as you can see, just like this, a form or a lead form is going to open, or a pop-up is going to open just like this. So in order to see the video, they will have to make sure that they have provided all this information. So you can obviously adjust this particular form on here. You can select the top text, the bottom text, and what you want to collect. It could be collecting name. If you want them to have an option where they can skip it, you can also keep that. And then you can also select a display mode. And there are multiple integrations in order to get this all this info on a certain platform, such as HubSpot, Mailchimp, or any other platform. And if I show you their full integration center, so here are all the integrations they have. So for meeting management, there is Outlook and Google Calendar. So you can super easily sync all your meetings and recordings for an efficient workflow from this platform, such as Outlook and Google Calendar. And for content creation and publishing, there is YouTube integration. For communication and social sharing, there is Slack as well as LinkedIn. For cloud storage, there is Dropbox. For education, there is Google Classroom. For email marketing, which means when you collect leads, they can be easily imported into HubSpot, Mailchimp, ActiveCampaign, and all these different platforms, as you can see. And there is also an e-commerce integration, so that is Shopify. So these are basically all the options for customizing your video. And then there is also this engagement section. So here you can see the real-time engagement, all the engagement your video have got from sharing. So if I click on the see engagement, as you can see, the total video views, impression, view rate, CTA clicks, all of these details, all of these analytics are going to appear on here. So once again, I'm back to the dashboard. As you can see, here is my video. Now obviously I have multiple options. I can move it to a folder in order to organize this. I can add or remove it to a playlist, rename it. So I have multiple options, and currently I am on this personal library. I also have access to my playlist. I can also make playlist in order to manage the videos. I can also see all the videos that I have shared, all the important ones, which means if I start any video, they are going to appear on here. All the archived videos are going to appear on here. And all the meeting recordings are going to appear on here. So what are exactly meeting recordings? The recordings are the meetings that are conducted on different platforms. For example, it could be on Outlook, Calendar, or even Google Calendar. So you can even paste a meeting link in order to record that. And keep in mind, this works with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, as well as Google Meet. So just see how amazing this is. You can super easily record your meetings even on other platforms directly on Dadan, such as Zoom, Teams, or Meet. So once you paste the meeting link and record them, they are going to appear on your dashboard, and then you can obviously edit them, personalize them, add various things, add various elements to the video, interactive elements, or even get various AI features such as transcription, such as the video editing features, such as getting AI captions, such as getting AI translation. So you can literally do everything on the videos or the meetings that you get on Zoom, Teams, and Meet exactly the same way that you can do with videos that are recorded on Dadan. And as for the create option, there are also multiple other options. You can even upload your own video. If you have a meeting file, you can upload that on here. If you want to request your team member to conduct a video recording, you can choose this one. So as you can see, this is how you can make a new request, and there are some advanced options for that. You can also see all of your request history on here. And then there is also this classroom video assignment, as well as importing your video from Dropbox. And if you want to add your team members, you have to do that from here. Click on create new team, provide a team name. As you can see, the team has been now created. Now I can even add this team or connect this team with Slack, which is amazing. I can manage the team space. I can manage the members. I can add various members, see all the members on here. So overall, I think Dadan is an excellent tool that lets you create interactive videos. It could be screen recordings or screen recordings with your web camera or also just your web camera. And the best part is Dadan has everything in order to record your video, in order to edit video, in order to transcribe, translate your video, in order to get summary, in order to get various notes from the meetings. So everything that an AI interactive video maker needs, Dadan has them. I have used Loom and I will say that Dadan is super similar and also offers the same features as Loom but in lifetime deal. And the best part is you do not have to always record your meeting on Dadan. You can also use Zoom, Google Meet or even Microsoft Teams in order to record your video but then import those video using the meeting link on Dadan so that you can use all the Dadan features. So if you want to buy Dadan on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. And keep in mind the price is going to increase after 3 days. So if you want to buy, make sure you hurry. And these are 3 tiers that are available on Appsumo with all the features that you can see on here.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo Credits Gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.